Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So forget meme coins because these 5 projects are powering payments, supply chains, and even governments in 2025. So let's check them out and see what they are right now. All right, guys, how you doing? I hope you're having a fantastic day. I'm pretty tired today, but I'm still here with you to tell you about these awesome 5 coins that are kicking butt in 2025. And cryptocurrency is not just about speculation anymore. And in 2025, we're seeing a lot of projects that are being adopted by companies and governments, strong technologies that support Web3 growth, which is very cool. Use cases that go beyond hype, okay? And today we're going to break down the top 5 crypto coins with real world use cases, how they work, and some real world examples and why they matter. But before we get into it, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Do your own due diligence and research before you invest, and never invest more than you're willing to lose. With that said, let's get into talking about the first coin with Ethereum, and we're on the website here. As you can see, Ethereum is a very popular coin. As I've said before, I think it's going to do great things. And it has its own blockchain, and it's got a lot of real-world application, which I think is phenomenal. And it has the largest ecosystem for smart contracts and apps. It's powered by DeFi, NFTs, and Web3 infrastructures, which is really cool. And it also is including upgrades like rollups and sharding, which are improving reliability, okay? And as I said, the strongest ecosystem and some real world examples would be governments like Brazil are plotting digital ID projects on Ethereum. So think about that. And they're also improving scalability with their upgrades and rollups and things like that. And also Visa and PayPal are getting on board and building payment solutions on top of it as well. Now, why does this matter to you and why does it matter to me? Well, Ethereum remains the backbone of decentralized innovation and adoption. How cool is that? Okay. So yeah, Ethereum is going to do great things in 2025. Let me know what you think of Ethereum down in the comments. Have you used it? Where do you see it going in 2025? The next one we're going to talk about is Ripple, and we are going to get into that right now, so let's do it. All right, Ripple XRP is next up on our list, and this is focused on cross-border payments, which is used by major banks and financial institutions. Transactions are lightning fast and cost a fraction of SWIFT transfers, all right? Now, some real world examples of Ripple XRP in action is that it has partnerships with Santander, American Express, and even central banks testing CBDCs. Now, why does this matter to you and why does it matter to me? Well, XRP is one of the few cryptos with direct real world adoption in traditional finance. All right. So XRP with Ripple is probably going to do great things. Let me know what you think of it in the comments. Have you used Ripple XRP? Are you going to use it? Do you think it's a viable coin? Let us know in the comments, because in this community, we really benefit from your feedback and information, and I am learning as I go with you guys. So it's a great interaction. So please leave comments. All right. So the next one up on our list of these exciting 5 coins is Stellar XLM. Let's jump in right now. All right, Stellar XLM, ladies and gentlemen, and this is built for remittances and financial inclusion, which I think is great. I think we all know where this could go and how awesome this could be with remittances on the table and lots of cool financial inclusion, all right? What's cool about this one is that it enables cheap, near instant transfers globally, which I think everyone's going to benefit from, and I think this is going to be a really popular coin with Stellar, okay? And it's also perfect for sending money to unbanked population. So it's got a lot of cool real-world versatility that I think is something that's innovative and very needed in the crypto space, all right? Now, we're going to get into some real-world examples of Stellar's application, and it's partnered with MoneyGram to power global crypto-to-cash payments, and it's also working with the UN on humanitarian and distribution. Now, why does this matter to you? Why does it matter to me? Well, because Stellar is solving the real problem of making financial access available to everyone, everywhere in the world, okay? So make sure you guys check out Stellar. Let me know what you think of it in the comments. And are you using Stellar XLM? What's your experiences with it? Share it in the comments. All right, next on the exciting list today, we have VeChain. All right, it's VeChain, ladies and gentlemen, and hopefully you're excited for this because I've been having a blast talking about crypto with you guys here on the channel. Now, VeChain, which is VET, is focused on supply chain tracking and authenticity with verification in mind, okay? Now, It's used in food safety, healthcare, and luxury goods, which I think is a very awesome real-world application. And you can tell that this is a coin invested in the people, food safety, healthcare, and luxury goods. I mean, those are three areas where I think it's going to be great. And some real-world examples will include Walmart China, which uses VeChain to track food products. And BMW has also partnered with VeChain as well for supply chain solutions. Why does it matter to you? Why does it matter to me? Well, VeChain is one of the few blockchains with corporate level adoption already in place. Very cool. So let me know what you think of VeChain. Check out the website here. I'm going through it, looking at it, and I'm seeing a lot of great hype being on that Web3. They got the white paper here you can check out. I mean, I think VeChain is going to be awesome. Let me know what you think in the comments. All right, the last one on the list is Polygon MATIC, which is going to be awesome, so we're going to talk about it. All right, Polygon MATIC, ladies and gentlemen, and this is a scaling solution for Ethereum that makes transactions cheaper and faster. Who doesn't want that? Because we know that Ethereum's gas fees can be quite high. I'm very interested in Ethereum. I would say my two favorite coins personally would have to be Ethereum and Solana, and I really love doing these videos, as I said, because I'm learning more about this. Please drop a comment. Let me know if you're using Polygon MATIC in 2025, and how's your experience been with it? And what's cool about Polygon MATIC is that it's got strong partnerships with global brands. Who doesn't want that in a cryptocurrency? Okay? Move your money fast with Polygon MATIC. Oh, check out the website. Look at this. They got the most adopted scaling tech, and some real-world examples are Starbucks that uses Polygon for its NFT loyalty program. Nike has also built Web3 sneakers. Of course Nike has. Nike's everywhere. And Disney has selected Polygon for its accelerator program. Check out the numbers. There we go. All right, cool stuff. Why does it matter to you? Why does it matter to me? Polygon is bringing back brands that are big, and it's going to bring them into the blockchains, which is helping millions of people interact with Web3 without even realizing it. I'm excited for Web3 because it's going to be back to the people instead of all these centralized governments controlling the internet, okay? Hopefully censorship is going to go down big time on Web3. I'm excited for it. Hope you are as well. Let's talk about some other cool stuff here. I got a quick question for you guys. Are you holding any of these coins already? Or maybe you're looking to add one of them to your collection in 2025. I really want you guys to drop your answers and let me know, because I'd love to hear your picks. So which coin do you guys feel is the strongest? Ethereum still leads in innovation. Ripple and Stellar are dominating payments. VeChain has corporate adoption, and Polygon is onboarding massive brands. Now each one of these has a different strength, okay? But all share one thing: real world use cases that prove crypto is here to stay. So crypto in 2025 is not just about hype, it's all about solving real world problems. Who doesn't want that in a coin? From finance and payments to supply chains and global brands, these projects are showing us the future. All right? All right, guys, so which of these 5 coins do you think will dominate in 2025? Drop a pic in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more crypto and trading videos and content. We'll see you in the next video.